Khan is a well-known Bollywood actor, film producer, and director. Born on March 14, 1965 in Mumbai, India. He began his acting career as a child actor in the film Yaadan Ki Baraat, but gained widespread recognition for his performance in the film Kayamat Se Kayanat Tak in 1988. Since then, he has starred in numerous commercially successful and critically acclaimed films such as Lagayan, Dil Chahta Hai, Rang de Bazanti, Taura Zameen Par, Three Idiots, PK, Dangal, and he has won several awards, including 8 Filmfare Awards, 4 National Film Awards, and the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Awards. Besides acting, Amir Khan has also produced and directed films like Tayar Zameen Par and Dangal. He is known for his versatile acting skills and his